Another harvest from Big Mama's garden. Some more asparagus beans, jalapeno peppers, and okra. Looking good. Look at all of my bell peppers coming up. I'm gonna let them get just a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna come out and harvest them. Okay, look at you, look at you. A lot of them coming up too. A lot of more blooms on them. Okay, bell peppers. Look at over here. Okay, bell peppers. Come on. Look at all of those blooms. Look at the bell pepper back there. Y'all come on and get bigger for me. You're looking good. Okay, my bell peppers, come on. Get bigger. And grow us a lot more bell peppers. I have some beautiful pineapple tops here. That was from my last harvest of pineapples that I got the tops out from. Gotta soon get them into some soil. Looking good. Yes, y'all are. Looking good. Look at all them good roots on them. Yes, they have some nice roots. Okay, 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 pineapples. Enjoy this heat. Enjoy this heat, yes. And grow big for us. Harvesting okra almost every day now. Look how big they have gotten. Okay, okay, okra. Flower bloom there. One under there too. Okay, okra, let me harvest you again today. Look like I soon will have some okra to harvest here too. Look at those flowers that bloomed on you. Yes.